Hello guys, welcome back to the video. So in the last two videos, I told you guys how we can hack DJI MINI 3 and MINI 3 Pro with the help of Dronehacks software. So most of the people had commented on those videos saying that their drone is not connecting with their laptop or PC. So there are few requirements that you guys need to follow to make sure your drone is connected with your laptop. So in this video, I'll be telling you what all the steps that you have to follow to connect your drone to your laptop without any issues. So without wasting much of time, let's quickly get into the video guys.
So guys, firstly you would require a Dronehacks software on your laptop. So I'll be mentioning the link in the description, and in the I button you can check out this website and download the Dronehacks software on your laptop. So once that's downloaded, further you have to download the DJI Assistant software. So to download the DJI Assistant, you have to again go to the Chrome and search for DJI Assistant. I'll be mentioning the link in the description so that you can visit this website and download the DJI Assistant 2 on your laptop. So both of these softwares are mandatory to connect your drone to your laptop. So guys, as you can see on the screen now, my DJI Assistant 2 has been downloaded to the laptop, and then simply you have to install this DJI Assistant 2. Once the installation is completed, then you have to go back to the downloads and open your Dronehacks software that you recently downloaded. And once your Dronehacks software is open, make sure you're using the original USB cable that has been provided by DJI to you. So this USB cable has to be used to connect your drone to your laptop. So firstly, you have to turn on your drone. After the first beep that you hear, just plug your USB cable to your drone and also to your laptop. Make sure you are using the original USB cable to connect your drone to the laptop. If you are using any third-party USB cable, then there is a chance that your drone will not be connected to your laptop. So once that's done, your drone will be connected to your laptop, and laptop will directly open your memory card data. So you just close it, and here on the Dronehacks software you will see the solid green bar when your drone is connected to your laptop. That's all guys. You have to use the DJI Assistant 2 and also the original cable to connect your drone to your laptop, and then after your drone will be connected to your laptop. And another common question that was being asked by the people was whether we have to log into this Dronehacks software or not. So guys, we don't require any login to do this hack process. So simply you can click on advanced parameters, and in the search bar you can search for max, and here you will find a max altitude where it will be written for 120 meters. You have to change it to 500 meters, and then you have to click on save parameters. After doing save parameters, you have to close this window, and then you have to click on write parameters to the drone. In the black terminal you see that all change parameters has been successfully written. So that means the parameters which you have changed has been written to your drone, and your drone is ready to fly more than 120 meters. Let's take our drone outdoor, and now let's fly our drone up to 500 meters and test it out whether our parameters are working fine or not. So guys, I hope you guys are clear that we have to use the DJI Assistant and the original cable to connect our drone to our laptop. Whether it's DJI MINI 3 or MINI 3 Pro, it does not matter, but make sure you guys are using the original cable and DJI Assistant on your laptop to connect your drone. So guys, as you can see on the screen now, our max altitude has been changed from 120 meters to 500 meters. That means that the hack has been completely applied. And here also you can see in the about section the aircraft firmware, the FlySafe database firmware, and RC firmware, even the DJI Fly app version. So guys, let's take off our drone now. And just to inform you guys, this hack is one-time hack. You have to do this hack only one time if you have the smart RC. You don't require any normal RC. If you guys have the DJI MINI 3 or MINI 3 Pro with the normal RC, then this hack has to be repeated every time. If you guys have the smart RC, then this hack has to be applied only once, and then after, whenever you fly your drone, it will be already set to 500 meters. Irrespective of whether you are restarting your drone, even if you restart your RC, it does not matter guys, it will be set to 500 meters. That means this hack is permanent hack, and you can use this one on your DJI MINI 3 Pro or MINI 3 if you have the smart RC. So guys, as you can see on the screen now, we were able to achieve 500 meters with our DJI MINI 3 Pro. So that means our hack is working totally fine, And in the previous video, I also showed you guys that even if I restart our drone or the RC, the 500 meters, whatever the max altitude is does not resetting to 120 meters. That means the hack is being permanent. Here on the screen, you can also see that auto RTH can also be altered to your desired height. So I have set it to 125 meters and clicked on return to home. So guys, I have also tested the quick shots with this hack, and quick shots are working fine on the DJI MINI 3 Pro, and also the return to home is working totally fine. So you guys can use this hack without any worries. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any queries, feel free to comment below. I'll be answering all your queries. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.